Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick look at how I use my fresh homemade almond milk to build one of my favorite smoothies. I've already shared a full video on how to make almond milk in detail, so if you want that step-by-step breakdown, be sure to check that out. But for now, let's focus on the smoothie. First things first, into my almond milk machine go whole unsoaked almonds, a couple of fresh dates for natural sweetness, plenty of fresh water, a pinch of salt, and a splash of my homemade vanilla extract. That's it. No chemicals, no fillers, just clean, wholesome ingredients. I run it for 2 quick 1-minute cycles, and in no time, I've got fresh, creamy almond milk ready to go. So I'm going to put some in the fridge for later and then use the rest now. Now here's where the smoothie process begins. I pour that almond milk right into my blender and then I start building my smoothie. I add a scoop of protein powder, a little lemon juice, some honey, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a dash of cinnamon, and even a bit of mushroom powder. These are things that help keep my gut happy, my skin glowing, my hair growing, and my nails strong. If you would like a full breakdown of these ingredients and what they do for your body, check out my extended smoothie recipe video because I go into a lot more detail there. After adding a bit of cinnamon, I then start adding my vitamins and minerals to the smoothie. Next, I top it all off with some chia seeds for fiber and healthy fats, plus another splash of vanilla because it just makes everything taste better. Then comes one of my favorite parts, fresh greens from my indoor hydroponic garden. Adding greens to smoothies is such a game changer for your health. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body in so many ways. And since they come straight from my garden, I know they're fresher and more nutrient rich than anything I could buy at the store. And finally, I add my frozen meal prep fruit bags. I love doing a big fruit prep every couple of months so that I always have smoothie packs ready to go. Each bag has a mix of fruit, which means every smoothie tastes a little bit different. A fun surprise every time. If you haven't seen my meal prep fruit video yet, make sure to check that out. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. Once everything is in, I just blend it until smooth and creamy, tossing in a little ice if I want it extra cold, and just like that, I've got one smoothie for now and one for later. Healthy, refreshing, and made right at home for the fraction of a cost of a smoothie shop. So I hope you are inspired to try this at home, save money, and eat healthy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this quick recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of my homemade healthy ideas.